In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting and send link on the mobile app. So please open up Zoom like you normally would, and you want to go ahead and select over here where it says schedule. And then from here, you want to give your meeting a name. So once you went ahead and provided a name, you're able to go ahead and select on what day you want the meeting to be, the time zone, and if you want, you can make this meeting repeat again and again. So whether it's every day, every week, every 2 weeks, etc. Then you guys are able to go ahead and invite people right over here. And you guys are able to turn things on like enabling the waiting room and only allowing authorized users. So this is 100% up to you. But what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on done. Then go ahead and select on save. Then your meeting details are then going to appear. And what you're able to do is you're able to just send a screenshot of this to your friends, and then they could join you through the meeting ID. You could also copy and paste the meeting ID over here, or you could press on this button that says invite, and this is definitely the easiest and best option to do it, and it is going to provide you with a direct link to the meeting itself. So you're able to go ahead and copy it, and then you can send it over to your friends, you can send it over to your coworkers, etc., and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.